Hi traders, welcome to Traders Well Group. This is Sharma here, and today I would like to show you the Gamma Blast updated new sheet that gives you beautiful and wonderful trades. You can trade in them. So let me show you what happened in this sheet. And this sheet has given us in the morning. It has given us the GAN bullish and gamma strikes, and those gamma strikes have been shared in the WhatsApp group. Let me share. See, for the example, this is the one I shared with my no people, my friends. That is a Nifty 24,100 put option 35. It is a gamma blast one, and I'll show you what happened in this. See, 24,050 in the morning. Yesterday itself, I shared one screenshot in WhatsApp by 6 o'clock in the evening. I have shared one thing. Let me show you that. Okay, this is our this is our see. Let me show you this. This is our gamma blast. PE blast was predicted yesterday itself. You can see the time. It was yesterday around. Let me show you this. Yesterday at 5:58 p.m. I have shared this. Okay, and you can see in the sheet. Okay, let me show you that PE blast was predicted in 24:50, and other strike prices are 24 150, 24 200 put options were recommended at 6 o'clock. It was yesterday at last 6 o'clock. So based on that, I have also continuously shared the updates. Like for example, this is the one I shared at around 10:20, that PE blast is going to happen in these strike prices 23 850, 23 PE blast, PE blast, PE blast. Most of them are PE rather than PCE. So now it has also given you the entries of that 23 851 rupee went up to 56 rupees, or even more than that. Let me also see that 23 850. See, you can see that what happened in 23,000 for 24,100, which we traded in. So this is the one we traded, and you can see how well from 18 rupees to 150 rupees. So from 18 rupees to 180 rupees. So 150 rupees. Okay, this gives us very wonderful on expiry days. It gives you Nifty. On Sensex expiry, it gives you Nifty, and this is our profit we got. I got profit in that. So in Nifty itself, we got so beautiful and wonderful Nifty Gamma Blast expiry day trade. So from around 18 rupees to 150. Just can you imagine that? Last week also it happened. Today also this happened. This really predicted well. Market was bullish, open bullish, strong bullish, but after that, when it could not cross our levels, I'll show you my Nifty. So when it could not cross yesterday's GAN levels, so it could not sustain above that. And I also have shown the live sessions, my what you call GAN levels. Let me show you the GAN levels I shared, and the GAN levels which were shared here. Let me Nifty. Let me just open this 1 second. Please hold on. Okay, this is Nifty change, and the GAN levels were shared. And let me also show you the live GAN levels. Okay, this is GAN levels 24 102, 24 102. That was the level in the morning. After first 5 minutes candle is completed, the candle's close is 24.76. We can use that 24.076. With that, we have 24,115. So this is 24,115. Let me open that. 24,115 is the high. So, and then we have around that zone only it returned, and when it could not sustain this our pre-open market, I mean GAN levels. These are the pre-open market GAN levels. You can see 24,102. This is the 24,102 is the GAN bullish, which could not sustain above that, and at the same time our Fibonacci auto Fibonacci levels are also there. This is our auto Fibonacci levels. Once it could not sustain above that, then it started falling, and it went so well. It went down, came down, and at the same time, our Gamma Blast also recommended put side only. So we have picked the same strike prices. I can show you again. See, the gamma strike prices were shared with you all. And here, as you can see, all the strike prices were in put side only. So this is around, you can see the time. Just let me show you the time. Around 10:20, we got this. And you can see around 10:20, they started falling. And of course, in between, it went up. But still, it has given the prices down. And from 18 rupees to 120 rupees, 150 rupees. So 150 was the, so let us see what is the high. So 149.45 is the high. So this is the gamma blast effect. So you can, join with me for this gamma blast thing. Again, it is asking us to be P blast only. So you can see P blast two strike prices 23,750 and 23,850, and still the gamma blast is going up. Okay, so we have to carefully look at this gamma blast and trade carefully. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. If you need this kind of gamma sheet, please contact me at my number 949-234-0656. I have gamma for Nifty, gamma for Bank Nifty, gamma for Sensex. Thank you. Bye.